If there's one accessory that can instantly elevate your look and speak volumes without saying a word, it's a watch. Whether it's for casual everyday wear, making a bold statement, or adding a touch of luxury, there's a watch for every occasion. And we are going to cover them all, no matter your budget. From affordable options to luxury watches, I'll break it all down for you, so by the end, you will know exactly which watch suits your style and budget. But before we dive in, let me make one thing clear. I'm not a watch expert. This is just my personal take on watches that I find stylish and timeless. If you're into detailed horological breakdowns, this might not be the video for you. But if you're looking for some practical, stylish options that will elevate your look, stick around. My name is Umari and I have a passion for fashion and would like to share all the stuff that I know with you guys. So without further ado, let's get started.
Get it? Text a message, I don't know the number. Flexing on these niggas, every bone muscle.
Let's start with everyday watches, the kind of pieces that you can throw on without overthinking it. These are watches that blend seamlessly into your daily wardrobe and don't require you to baby them. Whether you're headed to the office, grabbing a coffee with friends, or just running errands, you want something simple yet stylish. The key here is versatility. Coming in at around $100, the Timex Weekender is a budget-friendly favorite. It's not just about the price though. The design is classic with a minimalist dial and durable nylon straps that you can swap out to match your mood or outfit. You could go for a leather strap if you're dressing up, or stick with a nylon strap for something more casual. It's low maintenance, looks good, and fits right in with any casual look. Now, if you're ready to spend a little more for a bit of an upgrade, the Daniel Wellington Classic Sheffield comes in around $150 to $200. This watch has a thin case and a black leather strap that gives a more refined, polished look, but still stays on the minimalist side. You don't get all the bells and whistles with this one, but what you do get is a watch that pairs perfectly with pretty much anything, from jeans and a t-shirt to a dress shirt and blazer. Plus, it's super light and comfortable, so you can wear it all day without feeling like it's weighing you down. Let's move on to statement watches, for when you wanna stand out. Statement watches are about catching eyes, making people notice, and adding a little extra confidence to your wrist. First watch is the Tissot PRX. It's my watch here. This is a watch that nails the balance between vintage and modern style. Inspired by the 1970s, the PRX features a sleek, integrated bracelet that makes it feel sporty yet sophisticated. At around $400 to $1,000, depending on whether you go for the quartz or automatic version. This watch delivers a lot of bang for your buck. The design stands out, but in a subtle, classy way. The next one on the list is the Tagheuer Aquaracer. This watch will set you back between $1,500 and $3,000, but it's worth it if you want a statement piece with a luxurious feel. The Aquaracer is a dive watch, but it's refined enough to wear with more formal outfits. It's the perfect watch for a guy who wants to make a statement without going over the top. You get the dive watch aesthetic, but with enough sophistication to wear it anywhere. Fashion fellas, if you're finding this guide helpful so far, do me a favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. And if you want more daily style inspirations, make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Plus, you can shop all the outfits I showcase on my social media directly through the LTK app. It's free and I've got everything organized to help you easily level up your wardrobe. Also, I'll be linking some of the watches mentioned in this video, including my personal favorite, down in the description, so be sure to check those out. Let's move on to sport watches, where function meets fashion. For all the active guys out there, whether you're running, cycling, or hitting the gym, you need a watch that can keep up. Sport watches are all about functionality, but that doesn't mean they can't look good too. The key here is finding a balance between performance and style. The Apple Watch is a go-to for many, and it's easy to see why. With prices starting around $250 and going up to $800 depending on the model. It offers a ton of versatility. It's a smartwatch, fitness tracker, and fashion statement all in one. Whether you're tracking your heart rate, checking notifications, or customizing it with one of the endless band options, this watch adapts to whatever look or activity you've got going on. And let's face it, it's pretty sleek. You can wear it to the gym, then swap out the band and wear it to a casual dinner without skipping a beat. For those who want something more fitness focused but still stylish, the Garmin Forrunner 245 is a great choice. Priced between $150 and $300, it's loaded with features, GPS heart rate monitoring, and advanced workout metrics. But what I really like about this watch, that it doesn't look bulky like some fitness watches out there. It's sleek enough to wear with your everyday outfits, so you can go from workout to grabbing a coffee without looking like you've just left the gym. It's that balance of function and style that makes it a great option. Let's move on to luxury watches, because sometimes you want to treat yourself. Sometimes you just want to go big, whether it's a milestone celebration, a reward for yourself, or just because you love the finer things in life. A luxury watch is more than just a timepiece. It's a work of art. These are the watches that are built to last a lifetime. The Rolex Datejust is one of the most iconic luxury watches out there, with prices ranges from $8,000 to $15,000 depending on the model. It's definitely a splurge. But if you're going to invest in one luxury watch, this is a solid choice. The Datejust has a timeless design that works for any occasion, whether you're wearing it with a suit or just a casual outfit. It's elegant, understated, and screams class without being too flashy. This is the kind of watch you can pass down and it will still be in style years from now. For something with a more modern, futuristic edge, check out the Hublot Chronograph Titanium. It's priced between $12,000 and $15,000 and it's worth every penny if you're into bold, cutting-edge designs. The titanium case is lightweight but incredibly strong, giving the watch a high-performance feel while still looking luxurious. The chronograph function adds a sporty touch, whether you're at a formal event or just want to add a statement piece to your collection. This watch delivers in style and performance. Before we wrap up this video, let's talk about what to consider before buying a watch. Let me give you a few quick tips to keep in mind. Number 1, fit your style. Make sure the watch fits your overall style. If you're more of a minimalist, don't go for something overly flashy. Your watch should complement your vibe, not clash with it. Number 2, choose classic colors. When you're investing in a watch, always go for classic colors. Black, silver, or even navy can be paired with almost any outfit. Avoid flashy colors like gold, green, or anything that stands out too much, because those watches can be hard to match with your everyday wardrobe. Number 3, go for versatility. If you're only planning on owning 1 or 2 watches, make sure they are versatile enough to be dressed up or down. A good watch should look just as good with a suit as it does with the jeans. Number 4, comfort is key. Comfort matters. If a watch is too heavy or bulky, it's just going to sit in your drawer collecting dust. Make sure it feels good on your wrist, something you can wear all day without any discomfort. So there you have it, fashion fellas. Some of the best men's watches to suit any occasion and budget. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more cool men's fashion tips. Don't forget to check out the watches I linked for you in the video description. Thanks for watching. My name is Omari. I wish you all the best. Until next time, peace.
Get it? Text a message, I don't